we people do a lot of work in our PC, then that means your mouse tolerates too much pressure. So it's normal for your mouse to stop working. Yes, you have the backup option, the mouse pad, if you have a laptop. But what if you have a desktop? Well, if you want a good looking cheap wireless mouse, then welcome to the unboxing video of Foxin 9009. You can get this mouse from online and also in offline stores. Well, I have given a link of this mouse if you guys want to buy it from Flipkart. And if you don't get this mouse online for limited stocks, then you can visit your nearest computer shop. So this is the box guys, and here's the mouse. You can see on the back all the informations are mentioned, and the price of the mouse is 450 rupees, means $6.92. No, oops. Okay, so this is the receiver guys. You have to connect this receiver with your PC. And a pencil battery comes with the package. You have to insert this battery in your mouse. And this is the device guys. This is a very good looking device. You can see on the back, and this is the sensor, and this is the Foxin branding here, and this is a made in China product guys. And this is a very good looking mouse, I have to say, and here's the Foxin branding. So let's insert the battery and test this mouse now. So first let's do the distance test, and now the mouse is 2 meters away from the laptop and everything is working very fine. You can see guys. Okay, so no problem with this distance, and now the mouse is 4 meters away from the laptop, and yeah, still everything is working very fine. No problem with this distance also. And now the conclusion. Now the mouse is 6 meters away from the laptop, and yes, still everything is working very fine. And here I want to thank you guys for subscribing our channel, but please do not forget to hit the bell icon. So now let's get back to the topic. Yes, the mouse has passed in the distance test. So now let's do the gaming test. And now I'm playing Getting Over It with Benny 40. Well, I'm not a pro gamer, but I have to say, the mouse is doing his job very well. You can see the gameplay. So you can enjoy gaming with this mouse if you are a good gamer, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now let's play another game. And I know you guys are definitely known to this game. Yes, I'm talking about GTA San Andreas. And who is surprised? The mouse is doing his job very well. You can see the gameplay. So what are you waiting for? Get your first wireless mouse right now. The link is in the description if you guys want to buy it from online. Well, thanks for watching. This is Kunal Burman, Unboxing Desk, and you know the rest.